Hi, welcome back. Today we're going to learn how to fold the transforming pinwheel, also known as the transforming ninja star. If you like origami and you like paper airplanes, please subscribe and click the bell for notifications. I'll be delivering a new one every single week. To start, you'll need to have 8 pieces of paper. You'll need to fold the same piece 8 times and combine them together in the end. The first time I saw this was in grade 2 elementary school. A girl in my class, she learned how to make this and made a really large one using letter-sized paper. She showed it to everyone and taught some of us how to fold them. I didn't learn how to fold this one back then. It was afterwards when my cousin showed me that I remember. Back then, the internet wasn't available and YouTube didn't exist, so it wasn't something that I could just search online and learn how to fold. After I lost my chance learning from the girl, I had to wait 2-3 years before I could learn again from a cousin. So you guys are lucky. Here's a video to show you guys how to fold this. So enjoy the clip. So here we have it, the transforming pinwheel or the transforming ninja star. If you liked the video, please like and subscribe. It really helps the channel. Once again, thank you for watching and see you next time. Click left for more paper airplanes and click right for more awesome origami like this.